Hi, I'm Kirk Muller, and welcome to my garage.
Well, I am not going to sugarcoat it. My garage, before I got involved with Trusscore coming and doing this complete overhaul, was a disaster. Hi, I'm Kirk Muller, and welcome to my garage. I live in Kingston, Ontario, on a beautiful lake called Lowborough Lake. I live in the country. You know from that rodents are on the whereabouts, insects. It was a mess that way. We used it basically for storage. So I had the chance of working with Steve, who is a Trusscore Trusted Installer.
Original state was studded walls, open rafters, non-insulated. The Mullers were quite in need of some help with storage systems, and Trusscore panels we found were very easy to work with. With this insulation, it was perfect to use Trusscore. With drywall, you would have to prime, patch, repair, paint.
It made my life easier because he was in, he was out. Job well done, professional, quick, and great for people like myself.
So the Trusscore system is excellent for us because we're able to install it ourselves. All of our crews are able to quickly install the system because it's so nice to work with, compared to we would have to sub out drywallers, sub out painters, wait on other trades to get that done, where we can roll in with our crew and complete this in a timely fashion of 3 or 4 days.
Now that I have a functioning garage, it's been amazing for me and for the family to take advantage of that. I mean, we start our mornings out here and use it as a workout facility. The fact that my wife has no problem getting on the floor and doing yoga, and we're doing our workouts and saying, you know, this is clean enough to do that is pretty cool. It applies to anybody. You know, I'm out in the country, but if you're in the city and you have your house and you have a garage, it's one more area that you can live out of and use for valuable options. So I can start my day with the gym, have the kids play during the day, go get the tools later on. It really gives you one more place you can use as a real valuable, helpful space. Once it's up, it's maintenance free. You pick your colors, and it allows me to set it up the way it is right now, and then that's it. I'm done, I'm happy, and I'm using the garage right away.